If your iPhone 17 Pro Max Messages app keeps freezing, don't worry, you're going to be able to fix it with a few simple steps. In this video, I'll show you the best solutions that would help get your Messages app working smoothly again. Let's get started. The first thing you're going to want to do is force restart your iPhone. Very first, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. After that, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Wow! This simple restart clears temporary system glitches and reloads iOS without deleting any of your data. A lot of users find that the Messages app starts working normally after this step. If your Messages app is still freezing, let's check iMessage. Go ahead and open the Settings app. Scroll down to Apps, and on this page, again scroll to tap Messages. Turn the iMessage toggle off. Wait about 30 seconds. Now turn it back on. This refreshes your iMessage connection and would probably fix syncing issues that are causing the app to freeze. Next, make sure your iPhone is already running the latest version of iOS. Go to Settings app. Tap General. Then tap Software Update. If a new update is available, go ahead and install it. Right now my iPhone 17 Pro Max running iOS 27. Apple regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve app stability, so this is one step you definitely don't want to skip. If the problem is still there, let me check one more thing. Open Settings. Select General. Then tap iPhone Storage. Your iPhone should have at least 10 gigabytes of free storage. If your storage is almost full, the Messages app can slow down, freeze, or stop responding. If that's the case, you're going to have to free up some space. Delete apps you don't use anymore. Remove large videos or clean up old downloads. Every little bit helps. Now let's look inside the Messages app itself. If one specific conversation keeps freezing every time you open it, that thread could be causing the problem. Sometimes very long conversations filled with thousands of messages, photos, videos, and attachments can affect performance. If you no longer need that conversation, go ahead and swipe left to delete it. You could also remove large attachments from that chat instead of deleting the entire conversation. If you're using Messages in iCloud, there's another fix you should try. Open Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Tap Messages. Turn Use on this iPhone toggle off. Wait about 5 to 10 minutes. Then turn it back on. This forces your iPhone to resync your Messages database with iCloud, which would help if the freezing is related to cloud syncing. If you're still having the same issue, there's one more troubleshooting step. Open Settings. Go to General. Scroll all the way to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Reset, then tap Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your photos, videos, apps, or messages. It only resets things like Wi-Fi passwords, Bluetooth connections, keyboard settings, and other system preferences that might be causing software conflicts. After the reset finishes, open the Messages app again and see if the freezing is gone. Hopefully, one of these solutions fixed your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Before you go, I'd like to ask you something. Is the Messages app freezing in every conversation, or is it only happening in one specific chat? And are any other apps freezing too, or is it only the Messages app? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you have any other questions, go ahead and ask. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.